The art and science of data, harnessing the potential of data science, is a phrase that captures the combination of creativity and analytical rigor involved in extracting insights and value from data. Let's explore the key concepts behind this phrase. 1. Art of data *. The art aspect refers to the creative and intuitive aspects of working with data. It involves formulating meaningful questions, identifying relevant variables, and designing effective visualizations to communicate insights. Data visualization plays a crucial role in the art of data, as it allows data scientists to present complex patterns and relationships in a visually appealing and accessible way. 2. Science of data *. The science aspect represents the systematic and rigorous approach to data analysis. It involves applying statistical methods, machine learning algorithms, and other quantitative techniques to extract meaningful information from data. The science of data focuses on hypothesis testing, model building, and data-driven decision-making. 3. Data exploration and discovery *. The art and science of data go hand in hand during the process of data exploration and discovery. Data scientists employ their creativity to explore the data, generate hypotheses, and identify interesting patterns or outliers. They also apply their analytical skills to test these hypotheses, validate findings, and make data-driven decisions. 4. Domain knowledge *. The art and science of data require a deep understanding of the specific domain or industry in which the data is being analyzed. Domain knowledge helps data scientists ask the right questions, interpret the results in context, and derive actionable insights. It allows them to apply their creative problem-solving skills effectively. 5. Communication and storytelling *. Data science is not just about analyzing data, it's also about effectively communicating the insights to stakeholders. The art of data comes into play when data scientists craft compelling narratives and stories around the data. They use visualizations, storytelling techniques, and clear language to convey complex findings in a way that is understandable and impactful. 6. Ethics and responsible data use *. The art and science of data also encompass ethical considerations. Data scientists must handle data responsibly, ensuring privacy, security, and compliance with legal and ethical guidelines. They should be aware of potential biases in the data and take steps to mitigate them to ensure fairness and equity in their analyses. 7. Continuous learning and adaptation *. The field of data science is constantly evolving, with new algorithms, techniques, and tools being developed. Data scientists need to embrace lifelong learning to stay abreast of the latest advancements and best practices. They must adapt their skills and approaches to leverage the full potential of data science. By combining the art and science of data, organizations can unlock the potential of data science to drive innovation, solve complex problems, and make data-informed decisions. It requires a balance of analytical thinking, creativity, domain expertise,